Hello everyone from a new place. Today I want to share with you a kitchen that we will renovate from top to bottom. Let's first examine this old version in detail with you, and then what we are doing in the new version will be in this video. We are going to overhaul a kitchen that is almost 20 years old. And in this kitchen, there are all these unstylish details that are likely to be in your home. All of these with AGT, we will make it decorative beautifully. Let's do it together. Hello again. I'm here to take you to one unique culinary return, produced with the elegance of the night and natural wood aesthetics. Advanced technology products plays a leading role in this change. Let's look at the details together. Before you start here, I know you are waiting very impatiently, but when we actually have the entrance to the we renewed it by making one small change. I'll come back to the entrance later. Let's continue with the kitchen details first. Can I keep you waiting any longer? One beautiful interior in the kitchen architect Berna design applied with AGT products. I'll tell you here. One lot of materials, one lot of details. In order for you to use, I will explain them all with their codes. First, I want to talk about our kitchen triangle. Best for me, one of the important details in the kitchen, because the kitchen is a functional area, and function is always in such technical areas should come before design. My designs too. Actually, our preparation area was divided by one click because of the plan of the kitchen. We have one small area left here. We have one corner area left there. Normally, I leave the preparation areas in the corner, wider and more comfortable, one used to have a place. We had to decorate this place by necessity pipes in front of the carrier. There was a field they were hiding. We used 3039 Delphi Oak, one of AGT's trendy panels, to hide it. This panel where we can feel the wood texture on its surface. Trendy's Delphi Oak color and furniture profile 6000 Delphi Oak. I animated the design using the model with AGT 0 certificate ownership. Contrary to the odor-related problems of some lacquered furniture, it does not release odor to the environment, which improves the air quality of the space. All the details we made here, these frame details, we used them all from AGT. Then, when we turn this way, the refrigerator was standing alone like this, and it had a complicated field. We inflated this place well. My favorite thing about refrigerators ending in the cabinets they enter, so just the cover overflowing normally. Like this, it stays out like 20 centimeters or so. But we entered the refrigerator exactly according to the place here, and only the cover detail is out in design. We preferred wood and white as a color combination for a slightly more dynamic and timeless design, more focused on the texture and model of the material on the ground. Because we also changed the ground, I didn't want to match the wood colors with the cabinets. I left it much more light to match the door colors that will be preferred at home. There was a secret sliding door here. The top cabinets are all made up to the ceiling, but sweet one crown I passed over it. This crown goes all over the kitchen. We don't want to see. We also hid some beam overhangs with this crown. Speaking of this crown, the material we use on the cross, I used it to hide the column bulge here, and actually in the lower eye crates of the cabinets, we used it in side cases. The reason why I prefer the material I use around here, it has a light wood texture on it, so they don't look like straight pressure like that. These are AGT's 3039 Delphi Oak colors, covers and sizes right next to, and the doors on my cupboards. They have other names too. They can say rolling pin when I pass here instead of going straight to the same material. Let's add more texture, but I thought we wouldn't change color. But of course, the code and number of the product also change here. The name of the product we use here is MP6000. Then let's come to our lower cabinets when using flat panel in lower cabinets. They also use the cheetahs. They take very stylish with them. I wanted to experience, frankly, all of these. It was specially cut and made for each cabinet door one by one. Drawers were made one by one in the same way. I also want to show you the detail. When you open the drawer, you don't see any combination details here. The cover itself we made with 3P3055 Polar White. Side slats, MP4893P Collection. No fingerprints feature with high resistance to scratching one beautiful collection to choose for the kitchen. When combining colors in the kitchen, I wanted to add a small metal detail. So we're going down right now. We will look at our skirting details in skirting Trendy Panel, $3.95 Picasso product I used. A nice product gives a full metal feeling. I just used it below. Let there be a little more light reflection like this and another wood color directly, not to bring it side by side with one other wood. I actually used it. If I need to talk about the details on the stove, the reason I want to enter the color black here is this black both on top of our stove and in the oven underneath details available. I wanted to keep it up somehow. The product here is LP 3771 Soft Touch Black, the texture on them has feeling like satin matte. It's not that bright. It's not exactly matte nice. These colors have one texture like this of soft panels. Let's go to the entrance. We made very good changes at the entrance. What did we do at the entrance of the house? We had AGT's LB 3771 Sahara Cream this. This here is 1 1/2. We used it to give the Lambiri image in the transformation of AGT in our home. We divided the wall profile collections into one special place. My preferred LB 3771 model from the Supermatte collection, Elegant Sahara Cream color. It adds one atmosphere to Mekahan in a sophisticated way. The widest range of products in the industry. And AGT with design alternatives. Our home is unique. One combines aesthetics and functionality device, wall profiles. Special has moisture barrier with resin-based coatings. These features makes them long-lasting, especially in the kitchen in areas where steam and moisture are concentrated, allows them to be used comfortably. Before describing the entrance to the house, let me talk about floors like this. As you can see the ground, one of my favorite details we passed without any slats, of course, to pass without a bar. The thickness of the materials we use is also important. We use the alpine color of AGT Effect Parquet, and because it's 12 millimeters thick, we just used fence stitches to change the direction in the rooms. For parquets of the house, I preferred the horse pattern from the Effect Collection effect, just like other AGT parquet resistant to water for 24 hours. AGT parquet collections, made entirely from natural wood and has 0 emission value in this area in Turkey. Being the first parquet brand to receive a Floor Score certificate, highlights AGT's environmentally friendly approach, and Quality Floor Score certificate contributes to improving the air quality of space. In this adventure we made with the support of AGT. Thank you for accompanying us. They had great support here. We used their products in all areas of change. The result was great. What has the kitchen become? This transformation we created with AGT's products. Natural one, unique combination of wood and advanced technology. Unique kitchen laid out. Thanks to AGT's wide range of products, you can have your dream kitchen. Thank you for watching me. See you.